Okay, get online, and one of you win your way into that tournament. What's the holdup?
We don't play chess. Not anymore.
Why the hell not?
Why are we looking at a coat hook?
That is not a coat hook, that is a coat rook, wound up in this wall 5 years ago.
After a week-long chess tournament?
A tournament that went horribly wrong.
You threw a rook in the wall?
Wasn't me.
Nope.
It was a three-way tie for points. I was about to engage a masterful attack, the bishop's gambit. But then, Walter sneezed on my knight.
It was an accident.
J'accuse. My knight was covered in your mucus. The one piece I needed just happened to be the one you douse with your filth.
One, I do not have the ability to aim my mucus. Two, you could have cleaned it off.
Not without touching it. I played half the game with a dead pony.
At checkmate, Sly whipped this rook at Walt's head.
Not a half-bad arm.
It was unbecoming.
So we vowed never to play the game again for the sake of the team and our friendship.
All that over a board game. Being petty is no way to live a life.
Chess is not a board game. It's the ultimate test of genius and strategy since the 7th century.
It's all about probabilities. After the first 3 moves, there's 121 million possible positions.
Well, it's really a game of psychology, anticipating your opponent's move before he knows himself.
I see. Still a board game.
You can call it whatever you want, but it's so intense. Sly has to wear a mouth guard because he grinds his teeth when he plays.
Just wait till you see his victory dance.
All right, I've heard enough. We've got a woman's life at risk. 2 of you will play in that tournament.
I'm out. Chess is a gateway game. Start with pawns, wind up at the poker table. And Happy doesn't play. There's no building involved.
All right, Happy can run point from the garage. She's taking care of something with her dad for a little bit. Walter and Sylvester, you guys log on to that wild card match in 10.
You guys gonna be able to get your head in the game by then?